Haimen Shengyuan Bedding Articles Company Limited is located in Haimen, Nantong, the largest home textile industry cluster in China. The factory covers an area of 50,000 square meters and has more than 200 employees. Shengyuan has been engaged in the development and production of mid to high-end bedding for more than 20 years. With an annual production and delivery of more than 1.2 million sets. The company has passed ISO 9001-2000 and BSCI certification, and the certificates are updated in a timely manner during the periodic re-examination. Shengyuan's implementation standards are consistent with international standards, with fast product updates and guaranteed quality, which is the basis for serving every customer well. Shengyuan hopes to gain sustained market recognition through quality and service. Therefore, we put quality first, from raw material procurement, design, cutting to packaging. The entire process is researched and carefully planned. Our products undergo strict inspection before leaving the factory. Whether it is popular elements or some long-lasting best-selling styles, Shengyuan can deliver them to you at the fastest speed. Our production equipment and on-site management methods are continuously improved to meet customer needs. We are very happy to show you the latest products of our factory and how we ensure the quality of each process. As you get to know Shengyuan better, you will discover our professionalism and reliability. As the market expands, Shengyuan's service strategy is also comprehensively improving for a better life. For sustainable production, for added value for customers, Shengyuan is doing better in change.